rosemary beef liver bowl, or rosemary beef liver stew, or rosemary beef liver curry. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the beef recipes and one of the most unique of the veal recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beef liver recipes and one of the most delicious of the liver recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rosemary recipes. We're going to make rosemary beef liver stew or rosemary beef liver curry. We've taken around 300 grams of beef liver, cleaned thoroughly. Ingredients are around 50 grams of rosemary leaves, 1 onion cut into pieces, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 15 shallots, around 50 grams of ginger, 1 green chilli, 15 cloves of garlic, around 10 to 15 black pepper, 1 kapok bud dried or Marathi mug, and around 10 grams of cumin seeds. Put in the ginger, put in the shallots and the garlic and the black pepper and the cumin and the kapok bud or Marathi mug and few of the rosemary leaves, cloves, and crush well. We are taking the pressure cooker pan and put it over the induction cooker. The pressure cooker we are using is Hoppers and the induction cooker is Prestige. We have put the steel pressure cooker for heating at 100 degrees. Pour in 15 ml of oil and let it get heated. Put in the onion pieces. Put in the salt until the onions is reddish hue and become white golden in color. This when 100 degrees in the induction cooker. Stop thoroughly. Put in the fresh ginger and other ingredients. After reducing the heat to 70 degrees and top, put in water. Reduce your heat to 70 degrees. Put in the tomato pieces. Saute now. Top. Put in the rosemary pieces. Top thoroughly. Then put in salt to taste. Put in a spoon of coriander powder. Put in a quarter spoon of chilli powder. Salt thoroughly. Put in half a spoon of turmeric powder. Salt mix. Put in some fenugreek seeds. Put in the beef liver pieces into the mixture. Mix thoroughly. And all the ingredients are nicely mixed and incorporated with the beef liver pieces. Pour in 50 ml of water. Raise the temperature to 300 degrees. And close the pressure cooker and let it cook for 10 minutes at 300 degrees. After 10 minutes, let it cook for another 10 minutes at 100 degrees for a total cooking time of 20 minutes. The mixture can be opened. Now stew is ready and can be transferred into the bowl. Rosemary beef liver casserole or rosemary beef liver stew or rosemary beef liver bowl or rosemary beef liver curry. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the bowl recipes and one of the most unique of the beef liver recipes and one of the most unique of the rosemary recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beef recipes and one of the most delicious of the veal recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.